Have you ever wanted to start up a brand new website? Welcome to Finan Simple, where money's made easy. And here is how to earn over $400 every hour and make thousands of dollars each day, all with a simple affiliate marketing strategy through a website. Don't worry, we'll take you through the entire process step by step. Let's get started. For step number one of this really lazy method, you must visit a website hosting service called Google Sites. So open sites.google.com. Next, you need to access a new Google page. Simply go ahead and launch a completely fresh, empty Google site. So to get things started, start with the title. As a result, you can see the different ways that you may modify your website. A title can be added, effects can be added, different picture types, layouts, and other elements may all be added. However, you must go to step number 2 first before you can accomplish it. After creating a new blank Google site, you should return to Google and perform another search for terms like 5 ways to attract money, 5 ways to save money, or anything else involving lists and money. Consequently, there are 5 various financial topics such as 5 ways to attract money, 5 ways to save money, 5 ways to make money, and many more. Let's say you have Forbes' 5 ways to attract money. You first have to read their article to see how it is. You'll simply start reading the article and decide if you like it, but let's say you don't really have much interest in the content of the article. You can simply go on to the next article. So, imagine you go to another one and see whether it's any good. You find one that can provide you with 5 distinct strategies for drawing monies into your lives. Once you find one, you can now then use this excellent article in your Google site. Step number 3. Utilizing the information from that post on your own Google web page is what you should do. You can start by adopting the headline of the article, let's say, 9 fastest ways to attract money naturally into your life. However, you are going to simply use 5 instead of 9. You're going to make the necessary adjustments, change the color to fit the theme, the font to whatever you like Montserrat, and just overall make it fit better to the overall aesthetic. You then want to add more effects through the effects box, then finally the text box to input the actual content that you want to show to the people that will visit your website. So you're going to return to the article you found on Google and use their first statement, manifest good habits, as your model. Therefore, you're going to replicate this and you're welcome to edit the content, which is strongly advised. To rephrase the facts, you can either use Quillbot or Paraphraser.io. However, before pasting the material onto your own Google site, you need to unquestionably make some edits. After you edit it, simply copy and paste it into the text box of your Google site. You want to keep doing this until you have 5 distinct methods for people to either attract money into their lives, create money, or save money. Before you return to your Google site, you must visit a CPA marketplace with hundreds of various CPA offers for you to advertise. One CPA marketplace you can go to is called CPA Lead and is already available at cpalead.com. Cost per action, or CPA, refers to the fact that most of these offers only require consumers to input their email addresses in order to qualify as leads, and you will get compensated for doing so. You will therefore get compensated each time an email is submitted. There is nothing they need to purchase. They are not required to pay any money. They only need to submit their email address and you will profit from that. It's far simpler to force someone to simply input their email address than to force them to make a purchase or part with their money. CPA Lead works so effectively, and this should motivate you to go to their website and join up for an account by clicking their sign up button. You may register with Google or with your email by providing your first and last name, email address, password creation, and confirmation information, and answers to any security questions. Simply choose one of those given, provide the security answer, and then click Submit Information to create an affiliate marketer account on cpalead.com. Now that you have an account, all you need to do is log in. You will then immediately go to the home dashboard once you have successfully made a brand new account. Through here, you may monitor your earnings and the amount of money you made each day here. Given that you've only recently created an account, it will, of course, say $0 for the time being. The approach we're about to discuss with you in this video, however, may help you earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars through affiliate commissions once you get going with it. Consequently, you need to return and log into CPA Lead as an affiliate before you can begin marketing anything with it. After logging in, you will then be able to view all of these various offers that will pay you anything from $1 to a couple of dollars for each email you gather. A great thing about these offerings is that if people really join up for one of them, they usually have a chance for you to win something. Pretty interesting, right? So for instance, if people provide their email address in one scenario, they can receive some real cash benefits. Now, regrettably, let's say one doesn't pay too much. One option only pays 13 cents. So, if there isn't a specific offer today that says you can win anything, win money, or win cash rewards just by providing your email address since they constantly change their offers. So you must go to the following platform, cpagrip.com, if you're unable to discover an offer similar to that one on CPA Lead. CPA Grip is another CPA network where you can sign up, grab certain offers, and get paid to sign up for those offers. People are motivated to sign up for those offers because they stand to gain something. How does it operate? As a result, all you need to do is create an account, log in, and after that, you'll be able to observe these folks who are already generating money. For instance, you will see one individual has earned $1,000. Apart from this, you can also see others that have made around $2,000 to over $31,000. As a result, CPA Grip is producing a lot of money for everyone. However, you must review a few offer tools and visit My Offers in order to start earning money. Once you are on My Offers, you should change the nation to the United States in this instance. Now, you don't necessarily have to live in the United States to profit from CPA Grip. With these deals, you may earn money from absolutely anywhere in the world. However, the individuals you recommend must be Americans. For instance, customers may enter to win a $750 PayPal gift card by providing their email address, and for each email you gather, you'll receive $3. You will receive $2.57 in this instance, and they may win a $1,000 PayPal gift card. As you can see, this works so effectively because it gives people a reason to really input their email address since they may win something. So, you should copy your affiliate link right now. You are simply going to copy the given affiliate link because it will earn you $2.57, which might not seem like much. You could probably be wondering to yourself that $2.50 is not that much money. But bear with us, because what we're going to teach you can actually bring you thousands of individuals signing up for your link entirely passively. You should then return to your Google Sites for the next step. Given that you have an essay about how individuals may attract your money into their lives, everyone reading it must either need money or desire to do just that. They will be much more likely to really input their email address if you include a promotion where they can win something by providing their email address, but it must be very personalized for that specific individual. It also should not cost them anything. Therefore, what you need to do is formulate a call to action. A call to action should be included in the article itself. So for instance, following point number 2, you can write a call to action that, for instance, states the title of the offer in its entirety. In other words, get a $1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. You are basically just copying it, pasting it again, and then you want to emphasize that, right? Then you will construct the call to action that reads, click here to claim, and you make it bold and plainly a little bit bigger so people can really see it. Easy as that. This will cause them to notice the call to action and click on the text, which will take them to an offer where they can enter their email address and earn you money. In order to insert a link, simply return to CPA Grip, open the relevant offer, and then copy your affiliate link. Then, hit the chain symbol directly on the upper area of the edit menu. You should copy the affiliate link, then return and paste it in the available box before clicking the apply button. Apart from that, you may also play with the fonts, sizes, colors, and other elements. However, let's say you just replicate the same call to action. You are going to duplicate it, integrate it once more over here, and then repeat the process at the tag's bottom. After reading the post, readers will also see that submitting their email address will qualify them for a $1,000 PayPal gift card. Now that you have a comprehensive essay that covers 5 distinct financial topics and has a call to action with an affiliate link, you want to publish it. Therefore, you should select Publish the Site. You can obviously fill in whatever you want because you want to give it some addresses. Then you'll enter in a phrase like money-related articles or something similar, hit Publish, and a complete link will appear. You are now able to access your article and see the overall final look that you have made. You have made a website that discusses many topics and methods by which individuals might draw money into their lives. As you can see, it includes a call to action. Now that you have a whole website made for absolutely free, you can now move on to the final step. But first, you should copy the article's URL for your own website before moving on to the next phase, which is to visit a platform that has not been discussed yet. A website that receives 8.5 million monthly visitors, the majority of them are from the United States. Keep in mind that in order for you to earn money, you will require US residents to provide their email addresses. You do not need to be a US citizen. You can be from anywhere in the world, but US residents must provide their email addresses. That explains why this platform functions so effectively and is totally free. So, welcome to MeWe.com. It is a social media site that is brand new. Although MeWe is quite comparable to Facebook, there is very little competition there, and users are actually very engaged with various posts. You simply want to go ahead and sign up, repeat the usual process with your credentials, password, and finally create a free account. You will then log onto your account, after which you can start exploring through the various groups over there. As you can see, there are several groups that can be searched, and you should look for the so-called Law of Attraction group. To simply put it, you may just join a group, click done, and then start posting into the group. Just make sure you're not spamming the group by coming up with a variety of postings. If you come out as a genuine person who is really attempting to add value or assist others, many of them will truly appreciate the article and interact with it, which will increase the number of people who view it. Additionally, because you're not being aggressive, a lot more people will actually click the link. Encourage them to comment on the post as well. You simply just have to put the article's link so that people may click on it. They may read the content and click your affiliate link to help you earn money while they're doing it. On this brand new social media network, there are thousands upon thousands of organizations that you can join for free. If you join only 50 groups today, each one has 1,000 unique members, that's 50,000 people you may potentially connect with and help. Imagine 500 individuals will join up, and if just 1% of the 50,000 people visits your site in less than an hour and provide their email addresses, you get paid $2.57 every email, which adds up to more than $1,000 in a day's labor in less than an hour. Hence, affiliate profits of over $1,000 may be achieved in less than an hour. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finance Simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!